Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda and this is Sunshine. And today we have a beautiful day, in Arkansas. And there are no clouds whatsoever. So we were really excited to dust off our sun oven. We were gifted an All-American sun oven by a subscriber last year. And we just had so many cloudy days this last winter that we haven't used it for months. And so today is beautiful and we're excited to be making some muffins. And then we're going to make dinner, and put in it too. And it's going to be fun, and we're going to play and do some yard work and stuff, and we thought we'd bring you guys along. So, you ready? Here we go. Okay guys, we have already started our batter here, and to this we are adding blueberries. So these were canned blueberries that I home canned last year. I've just drained them and smushed them up. Sunshine is going to mix those in for me into our batter while I show you guys the recipe that we used. So this is the recipe we used. The only thing I've done differently in this recipe is the sugar. So instead of the 3/4 cups of sugar, I am using stevia. This is a stevia with vanilla, so we have that vanilla flavor in there. This is the only way that I use stevia is with the vanilla. Otherwise, I feel like it tastes really yucky. And so by doing it this way, I get the vanilla in there, and it sweetens without putting actual sugar in there. It's just an extract from the stevia plant. And so I really appreciate that, and we are doing that today. Everything else has been as is. This 1.5 cups of fruit is about what we have left from a pint jar that has been drained and smushed. So if you're using your home canned good, that's about what it is. You can also use fresh. So definitely if you have things in season, use those. But we are using the last of our canned blueberries from last year so that this year we can do fresh. Yes, you can eat that one. She found a whole one. That was beautiful. Okay, are you stirred up? I think it's time to get them in the pan then. All right, friends, we are outside with our blueberry muffins. Aren't they beautiful? Get a look at that color. We are really excited about these. My sun oven is up at 325 degrees. My recipe called for 375, so I'm going to put these in anyway. And I noticed too at the bottom here, my dot is not quite lining up, so I've got to readjust. So it looks like I need to go down some. There's an adjustment here in the back. I really love this sun oven because it's really, really easy to adjust everything. So I'm just going to, well, with one hand it's a little difficult. Okay, so I needed both hands, but I did go up 2 different pegs so that it lowers. It's supported by this stand, but I always put a brick or block or something underneath here because I do have this on concrete and I'm not using the peg supports, the stakes, just to make sure that if the wind kicks up, it doesn't fall over. So now my holes are aligned and I am gonna put my muffins in the oven. Okay, so now they're in. I've got my little knobs turned so that the glass is pressed up against the seal. It always goes down just a little bit when you open it, so I try to do that as quickly as possible. And we will be checking these every 30 minutes or so. You have to move your sun oven anyway. So we'll be checking this probably in about 20 minutes, just see where they are. Right now my oven's just over 3, so I do anticipate it taking longer, obviously. But the thing about a sun oven is that it's not going to burn, it's not going to dry out because this is sealed. So the moisture is not going to escape. So that's a plus. Even if it takes longer, they should still be moist. The first thing we're going to do, guys, is plant some zinnia seeds. So these are from Sunshine's garden. Year before last, we did not plant her any flowers last year. And so this year, she really wanted to have her own flower bed, I
just can't focus.
Is it too bright?
Too bright.
Okay, so you were going to plant these seeds. So this is just a kiddie swimming pool that we're going to use. It's filled with dirt, a lot of organic material. We put some leaves in it last year that have decomposed already. And we are just going to plant these in 4 rows, and then I think around the edge we're going to put some spinach that we can easily harvest around the edge. Sound good? Okay. I'm going to go ahead and check these. Got my pot holders and a toothpick. So, whew, steam comes out. Okay, my toothpick is clean, so these are done. That one's a little bit... No, they're perfect. That's fine. Can you hold this toothpick? Thank you.
I need it for my teeth.
Okay, that's fine. So I'm going to pull these out of here, and then we're going to throw dinner in here before too much heat gets out.
Yeah.
Look how pretty, y'all. These are perfect. We're so excited. All right, y'all, this is a chicken spaghetti that I had in the freezer. I'm going to toss this in here. Well, place it in here. And we will have this for dinner. We'll just watch this throughout the rest of the afternoon. It's about 2:30. It should be ready by dinner time. And our house is not going to get really hot. So I love using my sun oven in the summertime because it keeps our house cool and we don't have to waste that energy. It keeps our power bill down lower. And it's really fun. It's an experience. And I feel like you should experience your food. And Sunshine and I have a blast with this thing. So we're going to let this get back up to temperature. It's at 250 right now, so it'll climb. And we'll just keep an eye on it and keep turning it as we need to.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's turn it a little bit. All right, my Sunshine Girl is trying one of these muffins. It's still warm. So she's pulling the paper off. Nice. See what you think.
Ooh, this is good.
Is it good? Yay! I'm so excited. What we don't eat in the next few days, we'll probably put in the freezer so that we have these beautiful muffins on the go, ready at any time. Yay! Alright, y'all, now we are on our front porch. After our little snack a while ago, we started power washing our porch. So we're going to finish that up now. Our spaghetti is still in the little sun oven, and it's probably going to go until dinner. I don't think it's going to get like as crispy as we typically like, so I'm probably going to throw it in the actual oven under the broiler for just a few minutes before we eat our dinner. But I will show you guys how that turns out. We're going to finish power washing, and it has been a day just getting some things done in the yard. It's been really fun. We love these days where it's just really sunny and inviting outside, and so we are going to finish now and then have dinner. Okay guys, it's been a really long day. I am ready to be done today. We've been power washing for hours today, and I'm wearing out. So we are going to take this inside and let it finish under the broiler. We have some clouds that have appeared, and so that is something to consider when you are baking or cooking with your sun oven. Clouds happen, you can't control that, and so sometimes that affects your temperature, that will affect your cooking time and that kind of thing. So we are ready to eat, so I'm going to throw this under the broiler in our normal oven just to finish it off and crisp things up. But it has been a great energy saver today because I haven't had to use my oven except for the broiler here in a few minutes. So I'm going to take this out. It stayed pretty consistently at 300, but because of this cloud, like you can still see the steam and everything, but because of this cloud it's gone down to about 250, and that's not really enough to do anything. But this is cooked through, it's just not very crisp on the top, and I can show that to you guys. Woo! It's heavy. Okay. Oh no! See, that happens too if it's on the if it's on that last peg, but it didn't break it, it's fine. That just happens when you don't secure it properly. So this is our casserole. It's not crisp and bubbly on the top, but it is very hot. It was steaming, and so just a few minutes under the broiler is going to make this exactly like we would want it. Alright friends, we are done with the power washing for the day, And dinner is ready. I'm going to show you that in just a minute. It was a really rewarding day. I love to see everything turn fresh and new and clean. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, you will have seen in yesterday's little clip my walkway that we did, and it looks so much better. I want to know what you guys are doing for spring cleaning. It's definitely spring cleaning time here at Freedom Acres in Southwest Arkansas. I don't know where you guys are, but let me know, and let me know what's on your list, what takes priority when you get in that spring cleaning mode. This is what it turned out to look like. What do you think? Yes?
Delicious.
Is it good? Yay! Mommy for the win. Dinner turned out really good. It's Sunshine approved. I'm going to get cleaned up and join her, and we are going to finish up with dinner. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I appreciate each of you, and I'll catch you in the next video.